Carl Wellington, more popularly known as Professor Nut, is easily one of my favorite Jamaican 80s DJ. He is known for the important role he played in Jamaican music by combining comedy and social commentary with his storytelling ability. It's a normal occurrence when Professor Nut is performing on the stage that the crowd would erupt in laughter and praise.
Mr. Darling, come here. Tell me, and when you get so much souvenir, she said, whenever I carry a DJ, come here, them have to give me anything when me put them in a gear. No, me know the change she want wear. Make a fight and me chest say not there. Me pint and she goes so boom, looking at the ear. When her eye catch me back, me gold chain disappear. She said, look over there. You see that wash pan? That wash pan I get it from Welton. Look over there. You see that banlan? That banlan I get it from Thailand. Me see a crab louse and me pint with me and she said, me no remember who me catch them there from. Beside that old phone, me say Metro Soul Cook. I wanna go no further, you know why? Respect you. Respect. Finish it? Should I? What to do? I'm gonna finish it. Listen. You know? She said, look over there. You see that wash pan? That wash pan I get it from Welton. Look over there. You see that banlan? That banlan I got it from Thailand. Look over there. You see that wash pan? That wash pan I get it from Welton. Listen, look over there. You see that banlan? That banlan I get it from Thailand. No, me see the crab louse. And me pint with me and she said, me no remember who me catch them there from. Beside that old phone, me say Metro Soul Home and a rat it sitting shape like a trombone. Me make her fight and she said leave it alone. Me say it's what? She say oh that is yellow man jawbone. Please, people. No, I need to speak. No, respect you. Yellow man, I'm a bread you. That's how we go. Right. Easy. I don't done yet.
He might not have many hits when compared to his contemporaries, but he will always be popular because of his ability to entertain, especially to a live crowd.
Me problem. You forget say me name is a me no love spend. Food. Tap your fat. Try again. Me collarbone might a show, but me no hungry, my friend. Close. But kiss me open. You know sweatsuit me wear from my pajama then. Jewel. That a no problem. Me all wear gold ring from me big toe them. Drugs. Your rank na good pen. How you take me for King Everland Tiger them. House, I rent me a pay from me a 10. And the woman give me notice, you know from when. Car, that a no problem. Me no want no car, me under 50 done a mad them. Woman, wait a little bit, say that again. Then if you didn't know, I make you never say so. The 10 woman, man thing is crap. Quiet! Woman, man biggest problem. No matter how you try to please them. Woman, man biggest problem. Bad no rasi can't beat them.
And now here's a word from our sponsor.
Jamaica just turned 60, and since this is a dancehall channel, the only way I can celebrate is to honor Jamaican artists who have had a major impact on not only Jamaica, but the entire world. The book 50 Most Significant Jamaican Musical Artists, written by Roger Grant, focuses on the life and careers of our greatest artists that has impacted our society. Why am I recommending this book? Well, if you love dancehall and reggae, it's important to know the history. This book educates and also brings you down to memory lane. Click on the link in the description to purchase either the paperback or the Kindle version. And for transparency, if you buy the book, Amazon will pay me a small commission. No extra charge to you, and all proceeds will be used to improve the channel, for example, buying a new mic. Thanks for your continued support. Easily one of the best live performers from Jamaica. Professor Nuts was influenced by Yellowman and Nicodemus. Professor Nuts began his career as a DJ performing on the St. Catherine-based Love Child sound system. In 1984, he held the position of top DJ in a national competition representing St. Catherine. He gained a reputation for his comedic approach to dancehall. He formed a partnership with the equally humorous lecturer.
People, well, I'm not talk to now because I can't stay long because the pants tight and it has stopped my blood. And them say tight pants good for lung cancer.
What you mean? But kill you want kill me. Are you teacher? Well, make me tiny pants put them. Lecturer, cook on your two boy your son DJ. You favor when the old donkey one break. If my dog did have a face like a fear, won't stay me shave him back and teach him to walk back way.
His distinctive style led him to have a high profile in the reggae and dancehall industry. In spite of his success, his recorded output was sporadic. One of Professor Nuts' best-known songs, Inna the Bus.
Inna the bus, inna the bus, inna the bus, them a kick up from post, yes. Inna the bus, inna the bus, inna the bus, them a fight and a bus.
Some of his most popular songs are Man Biggest Problem, Tansa Back, Woman Daya, Bad Boy Jimmy, and Mama Have Our Own.
Boy, mama have her one, daddy have him one. Anything them have, you better leave that alone. Yeah, you wanna dog, get you wanna bone.
He remained relevant in the 2000s by not only performing at stage shows, but also becoming a judge on the popular dancehall talent show Magnum Kings and Queens of Dancehall. He was a fan favorite on the show, where he helped to develop young artists to hone their skills, especially when performing. Professor Nuts' unique style and lyrical ability easily makes him a dancehall legend. He has inspired countless of artists such as Governor, Spice and Vybz Kartel. He is currently working on new music, collaborating with Shaggy and Agent Sasko. Stay safe, stay blessed, and thanks for watching.